Most expensive food in the world was 1 pound, 450 grams, costing between 500 and 5,000 US dollars. A miracle for your health. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, with 1 pound, 450 grams, costing between 500 and 5,000 US dollars. The reason for its heavy price is its labor-intensive harvesting method, making the production costly. Saffron is harvested by hand from the Crocus sativus flower, commonly known as the saffron crocus. The term saffron applies to the flower's thread-like structures or stigma. It originated in Greece, where it was revealed for its medical properties. People would eat saffron to enhance libido, boost mood, and improve memory. Here are some impressive health benefits of saffron. Saffron contains an impressive variety of plant compounds that act as antioxidant molecules that protect your cells against free radicals and oxidative stress. Notable saffron antioxidants include crocin, quercetin, saffronol, and camphorol. Crocin and quercetin are carotenoid pigments and responsible for saffron's red color. Both compounds may have antidepressant properties, protect brain cells against progressive damage, improve inflammation, reduce appetite, and aid weight loss. Saffronol gives saffron that distinct taste and aroma. Research shows that it may help improve your mood, memory, and learning ability, as well as protect your brain cells against oxidative stress. Lastly, camphorol is found in saffron flower plants. This compound has been linked to health benefits such as reduced inflammation, anti-cancer properties, and antidepressant activity.